if you've forgotten your Apple ID password, or if you've acquired a device with an iCloud lock and no legitimate way to access it, this video will guide you through a crucial process. We'll be demonstrating how to bypass iCloud activation lock without the associated password, allowing you to regain control of your device and your digital life. This is a vital skill for anyone who has lost access to their Apple ID or found themselves with an activation-locked device. The first step involves obtaining specialized iCloud bypass software. You'll need to find a reputable and trusted program designed for this purpose. Search online for iCloud bypass tool, and carefully review the options. Look for software that has positive user reviews and clear instructions. Once you've downloaded and installed the chosen software on your computer, you're ready for the next phase. Now, prepare your iPhone or iPad for the bypass process. You'll need to connect your device to your computer using a USB cable. Ensure the device is powered on, and recognize that many bypass methods require your device to be in a specific mode, such as DFU mode or recovery mode. The bypass software will usually provide on-screen guidance on how to put your device into the correct mode. Follow these instructions precisely. With your device connected and in the correct mode, the bypass software will begin its work. This is where the security measures are circumvented. The software will communicate with your device and the iCloud servers to remove the activation lock. This process can take some time, so be patient and ensure your device remains connected and powered throughout. Congratulations! Once the bypass process is complete, your device will restart. You should now be able to set up your iPhone or iPad as a new device. Or if you have a new Apple ID, you can sign in with that. This effectively removes the old iCloud lock, giving you full access and the ability to use your device without any restrictions. Remember, this method is for legitimate recovery and to regain access to your own devices.